Hello everybody. Welcome to Carrie on Accessibility. This is a quick accessibility tip on how to add a descriptive audio track to your YouTube video. Now this may or may not be available on your channel. It just depends on YouTube. So this is the YouTube Studio, and you'll have to use this on desktop. I've gone ahead and selected a video, and I went to languages on the sidebar here. At the top, if I navigate by headings,
main landmark languages heading level 1.
We'll get to the main landmark. If I press down arrow,
Region heading level 2 video language : English.
It says that my video language is English. The next button down is
button details.
Details. So if I zoom in here, we can see that this is a pencil icon. This is exactly what we want to click on or select.
Type.
Here it'll tell us our title and description, and if we go to the bottom, it'll have a way for us to upload the descriptive audio.
Clickable dialog, title and description, title edit unavailable, clickable writing, description at media region, media table with 4 rows and 5 columns, row 2 actions, column 5 show subtitle options button, row 3 status, column 4 clickable published button, lang, actions, column 5 button show subtitle options, row 4 type, column 1 graphic audio, name, column 2 descriptive audio, source, column 3, status, column 4, actions, column 5 clickable button, add. So this add button is what we want. I'll go ahead and zoom in here. It's at the very bottom of this modal. It says descriptive audio, and we can move over, and all the way to the right, which is a little far from the label, is the add button. So we can select the add button. Add button, English left parent, descriptive right parent audio, clickable heading level 1 English left parent, descriptive right parent audio, add audio track. You will not be able to trim or adjust the timing of secondary audio tracks in the editor, so your track should roughly align to the length of your video. Clickable button, select file, clickable button, cancel, button unavailable, publish. Okay, so here we can upload the video, which will open a file explorer, and you can select the audio file for your descriptive audio. Then you'll select publish and wait for a while as everything needs time to process. This also does work for shorts, though I don't know how many people are actually going to add audio description to their shorts. It is disappointing that the audio track has to be about the same length, because sometimes you want more descriptions and sometimes there's just not enough space in a video to provide audio descriptions. Regardless, it is a great feature. All right, it's as easy as that. It did take some time for me to find that visually. The pencil icon was really confusing. I didn't find it very intuitive to locate. The YouTube help article was also not very descriptive, so I thought I'd go ahead and make a video of it. Hopefully this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up below, subscribe to the channel for more tech and accessibility content, and if you want to help support the channel and the work that I do, consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member for exclusive content and exclusive posts, a monthly meetup, and early access to videos and more. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.